Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I show you top 3 website to learn hacking for beginner to professional. Number 1, HackTheBox. HackTheBox is an online platform that offers a variety of cybersecurity challenges and virtual environments for practicing penetration testing and ethical hacking. Here is many option to log in. HTB Business develop and measure all aspects of your team's cyber performance on a single cloud-based platform. HTB Academy prepare for your future in cybersecurity with interactive, guided training and certifications. HTB Labs 1000 plus realistic, hands-on labs focusing on the latest technologies and attack vectors. HTB CTFS explore 100 plus challenges and build your own CTF event. Test your skills in an engaging event simulating real-world dynamics. Choose your own necessity. You can log in here and make yourself as a hacker. Number 2 is Hack. This site is an online resource that offers a variety of interactive challenges to help you learn ethical hacking and cybersecurity skills. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pro, this site provides a range of missions from basic web security to advanced penetration testing. Realistic challenges. Educational resources. Community interaction. Perfect for anyone looking to boost their cybersecurity knowledge or simply explore the world of ethical hacking. Number 3 is TryHackMe, a fantastic platform for anyone interested in learning cybersecurity in a hands-on way. It features a wide range of scenarios and challenges that cater to both beginners and advanced users. With practical labs and real-world simulations, you can learn everything from basic security principles to advanced hacking techniques in a safe and controlled environment, structured learning paths, hands-on labs, community, and support. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, TryHackMe offers a valuable and immersive way to grow your cybersecurity expertise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more exciting content on tech,